Welcome to Lecture 2 of 2, an introduction to medical terminology. This lecture and the remaining lectures for this course will focus solely on medical terminology. Specifically, primary medical terms. The use of primary medical terms enables you, the student, to become organized with your studies as you learn to build your medical vocabulary. Chapter 1 introduces an analysis of medical terms based on basic word structure and builds a vocabulary of combining forms, suffixes, and prefixes. Our learning objectives include divide medical terms into their component parts, analyze, pronounce, and spell medical terms using common combining forms, suffixes, and prefixes. You are not just to memorize terms and their meanings. Our main objective is comprehension of medical terms and how they are broken into component parts, such as roots, prefixes, combining forms, and suffixes. A few general rules to remember is to read the meaning of medical terms from the suffix back to the beginning of the term and then across. Drop the combining vowel before a suffix beginning with a vowel, such as gastritis, not gastroitis. You would notice the O is dropped. That's the combining vowel between the prefix gastro and the suffix itis to make gastritis. And last, keep the combining vowel word roots. Gastroenterology, not gastroenterology. Speak it based on how it's spelled. Keep in mind these general rules because each week we will review the word structure, definitions, and pronunciation of numerous medical terms, and we will use the combining form, combining vowel, prefixes, and suffixes, all of which make up the word divisions. As you review the remaining slides within this presentation, pay attention to the slide title and of course the content on each slide. There are many combining form examples provided throughout this presentation, as well as prefixes and a few suffixes. Be sure to familiarize yourself with these combining forms and their meanings, as well as the meanings that are matched with the appropriate suffixes and prefixes. And there are a few suffixes that contains the same definition, so please make note of that. For example, AL means pertaining to, as well as several other forms of suffixes. So please, as you complete the assigned readings, view each weekly lecture and view the lecture, make notes of any questions and forward to your professor before each class session. We have exciting activities and group discussions planned for class, so I look forward to seeing you in class. Let's get started and happy studying.